You open your eyes for the first time, but the world doesn't feel like it was made for you. Cold air fills your tiny lungs as you lie pressed against the ground, surrounded by warmth that is not yours, but shared. Bodies move around you, breathing, waiting, alive. You are one of them, a wolf pup. But even now, something feels different. You are smaller, weaker, slower to react. And in the wild, those things are not just details. They are warnings.
The den is dark, carved deep into the earth beneath old stone and roots. Your mother lies nearby, her breathing heavy but calm. She watches all of you with eyes that have seen storms, hunger, and death. There are 5 of you, but she always looks at you a second longer. Not with love, not with hate, with concern, because she already knows what the world takes first, the weakest one. Days pass. You try to keep up. When your siblings push forward for milk, you arrive last. When they bite and wrestle and play, you fall too easily. When they growl, you hesitate. And hesitation is dangerous in a wolf. Your body doesn't respond like theirs. Your legs shake faster. Your breath runs out sooner. You don't understand why. You just know one thing. You are always behind.
You lose sight of them. You hear the victory growls in the distance long before you arrive. And when you do arrive, there is nothing left for you. Only silence, only snow, only proof that you were not needed. One night, the pack gathers. The wind is sharp. The trees move like whispers. Something is wrong. You feel it before anyone speaks. Your father stands still. Your mother doesn't move. Your siblings avoid your eyes. And then it happens. A decision without words. The pack is moving, but not everyone is going. You follow instinctively. You always follow. But as you step forward, your mother blocks your path. Not aggressively, not violently, just enough. Enough to stop you. You look up at her, and for the first time, you understand something without hearing it. You are not being punished. You are being left behind. Not because you are hated, but because you are not strong enough to survive where they are going. The world ahead is harsher than this forest, and they cannot slow down for you. They leave at dawn, one by one. The pack disappears between the trees. Your siblings don't look back, even once. Only your mother pauses at the edge of the forest, just for a moment. Her eyes meet yours, and then she turns away, and she is gone. Silence arrives after them. Not peaceful silence, empty silence, the kind that feels like something has been removed from the world. You wait, you call, you move through the forest searching for familiar scents, but there is nothing, no answers, no direction, just endless trees and your heartbeat. At first, you believe they will return. Hours become days. Days become something heavier. You learn quickly what it means to be alone.
No pack means no protection. No protection means everything becomes a threat. The forest is no longer home. It is a test, and you are failing it slowly. Hunger arrives first. It is not dramatic. It is quiet. It starts as a feeling in your stomach that never leaves. You try to hunt small things, mice, birds, anything, but you are not fast enough, not strong enough. Every attempt teaches you the same lesson. You are still the weakest. Just now, there is no one left to outrun you. Nights are worse. The wind sounds like voices, branches crack like footsteps. You stop sleeping deeply. You wake up at every sound. You learn fear in its purest form, not fear of something specific, fear of everything. And then winter comes. The forest changes, the ground hardens, food disappears, even sound feels frozen. Your body grows thinner, your strength fades, and still you move forward, because stopping is the same as disappearing. One night, you find tracks, fresh, larger than yours. You follow them carefully. Hope is dangerous now, but it still exists in you. The tracks lead you to a clearing, and there in the distance, you see them, your pack, or what remains of it. But something is wrong. They are different now, stronger, wilder. They move like they belong to a harsher world than the one you remember. You step forward. A sound breaks the air, a warning growl, not from a stranger, from your brother. He sees you, but he does not come closer. No one does. You take another step. The growling deepens, and then you understand. You are not part of them anymore, not because you left, but because survival already made the decision. You lower your head slightly, not in challenge, not in anger, in understanding. The pack turns away. They do not attack you. They do not welcome you. They simply move on, as if you are something that no longer exists in their world. And then they vanish again into the trees. You are alone again, but something inside you changes. This time, the loneliness is different. It is not confusion, it is clarity. Because for the first time, you realize something important. The world never promised fairness, only survival. You begin again, not as part of something, but as something on your own. You learn faster now. You fail more, but you adapt. You stop chasing what you cannot catch. You start noticing what others ignore. Small movements, weak points, silent opportunities. The forest becomes a map you slowly learn to read, not as prey, not as pack, but as observer. Seasons pass again. Your body changes, not into the strongest wolf, but into something quieter, something patient, something that understands distance better than speed. You no longer chase everything, you choose, and choice is power in disguise. One evening, you hear distant howls, not your old pack, something new. You stand still, listening, and for the first time in a long time, you do not feel behind. You feel ready. Not because you became the strongest, but because you survived what tried to erase you. You step forward into the forest, not running, not hiding, just moving. And as the wind passes through the trees, you understand something simple. You were never just the weakest wolf. You were the one who was left behind so you could learn how to stand alone. And in the wild, that is its own kind of strength.